Hello everybody. I just want to talk to you a little bit about seeing who's going to be in your Flexi Sketch for another day to create a little report. So one way of doing it is if you go to your lists and go to master schedule. Everybody has the master schedule, and you want to see who is in your flex list on Friday. One way to do that is go down to here, go to your name. So I type item. I want to see who's in my class that day. What I can do is then print, and I've got a nice list of everybody in there. Another thing that I can do by doing this is if, for example, these are all supposed to be teacher requests because this is my AP class. If Rainy's not supposed to be in there, I can go to edit and I can unschedule this person by putting them somewhere else. And this also solves the problem of if you scheduled your whole class as a group and you're just trying to keep the C's, well, if Melanie has an A, I can schedule her somewhere else. So that's one way to deal with doing your priority period. All right, thank you very much. Hope that was helpful.